You see the vis eyes, man. Stop playing. Fuck around with you. Can't be riding with the top up in this type of weather. Fuck, I got a roof for if I ain't finna drop it. You feel me? That's like having some money and ain't gonna spend it. Fuck you talking about? It's like toting a pistol, I ain't gonna use it. I don't play games like that, shorty. It's your motherfucking boy Sugar Man on there, man. You know the vibes when I'm in that drop thing, shorty. Big F on the steering wheel. Fuck, you got the top for nigga. My boy, you already washed up. Oh, you got that drippy drip on too, shorty.
This is what I do, y'all.
Okay, let's see what's going on back here.
Little something, something.
Oh man, what's that right there?
That's a Taurus 44.
Okay. Oh.
AR-15 pistol.
Yes, sir.
That's brand new.
Let's check this other piece out, you know?
Iconic shit right here.
Wait, he got it in the bag, shorty. Yeah. That's a machine, shorty.
They gon' keep acting like it's up until you swinging that stick. Then play victim when they go down like your hand ain't force it. I do that shit myself, you know the gang with me. Don't get your motherfucking head buzzed to the white meat. We can bang, nigga. We can swing that stick. Cut that rah-rah shit out. Come on now, let's handle it. You ain't with me neither, fuck boy. I'm on my savage shit. No nigga taking nothing. No nigga scaring shit.
Ronnie JB, you know I gotta kill him.
Listen to the track, bitch.
Alright, gang, what it do, man? Whole lot of gang shit. Another day in the life with your boy, who? Sugar Man on that. You know who I be. Well, y'all digi scale us, you heard me? Drop it in the comments if you rocking with your boy. Alright, look, check it out. We're gonna bring some different content to the channel again today. Y'all already know I'm getting versatile with this content that I'm bringing y'all, right? So I'm tapping in with a Mopar today. That's right, Mopar gang. I'd have been had one, but I can't afford it yet. Old school's got a nigga hurting for certain. I'm talking about cheese and cracker Lunchables, you heard me? But look, we finna go get out with my boy. I think he got a Hellcat, Red Eye, or Demon, one of the three, I don't know. Either way it go, we finna go get up with him, and we finna bring y'all some Mopar content. So hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel if y'all haven't already. Go to sugarmanonThat.com to get y'all on that apparel, and go to On the Road Deluxe to go to all platforms and get my album On the Road Deluxe. What else we got jumping? Definitely hit the bio on my Instagram, Facebook, or find a flyer on my wall and enter my T-Rex giveaway for $25 a ticket. Or you already know, get you some more tickets. It's better with a deal. You know what I'm saying? The more tickets you buy, the better chance you got to win in the T-Rex. That's right, I'm giving away $150,000 box Chevy. You got your chance to win that for $25 a ticket. So look, tap in with that. We finna release the roof on the vert, man. And we finna bring y'all some Mopar content today, mixed with the Cutlass, you heard me? Whole lot of gang shit. That's right, vert vibes, man. We outside today. Finna go get this thing detailed up. And I picked it up from Sammy's, man. That shit was dirty as that dang the other day, shorty. But that's cool. It's about 70, 80 degrees outside. I ain't even gonna lie to you, man. You know what time it is, man. It's vert vibe, it's vert weather, man. Shit, fuck wrong with you. You know I ain't finna play those type of games today. You know I gotta release the top on this jump, man. Hold up. You know I gotta release the roof. I'll never be playing games like that. Hold on, Shrek. Top out this motherfucker. Top back. Fuck wrong with you, man. It's vert weather, man. Fuck wrong with you, man. You see the vis eyes, man. Stop playing. Fuck wrong with you. Can't be riding with the top up in this type of weather. Fuck, I got a roof for if I ain't finna drop it. You feel me? That's like having some money and ain't gonna spend it. Fuck you talking about? It's like toting a pistol, I ain't gonna use it. I don't play games like that, shorty. It's your motherfucking boy Sugar Man on there, man. Hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you fucking with me, man. Let me know what it is, man. Let me know what it ain't. Hit the motherfucking comments right now. Drop your digit scale in that jump, man. Let me know you rocking all the way with your boy, man. 1,000, shorty. Straight up. You know the vibes, man. This whole fucking summer, man. We outside without the roof, man. Fuck wrong with it. Whole lot of gang shit. You know the vibes when I'm in that drop thing, shorty. Big F on the steering wheel. Fuck you got the top for, nigga. You know the vibe, shorty. Hey, wait, what we bumping in this motherfucker though? Let's cut some of that on, man. Let's see what we rocking with. I'm cutting my own shit on.
Hey, I'm looking for the donation box. I got too much of this shit. Over there? Okay. Too much of these hating ass niggas on the front line. We got the top drop, spin around one more time. Too much of me talking slick. I walk it like I'm talking bitch, but I ain't walking bitch. I'm in the gutless on the 6. Let's get to the end of this. I'm Sugar Man on that with him. Then I throw the 6, they mad that I'm lit. Too much on my wrist, I know they thinking about jacking them. Too much posting on them gram, I know I'm overlapping them. Who the fuck wanna buy some time? I got too much. Anybody need some haters, holla, I can get it. And let's talk about that trap that I got, I put balls in it. What about that car show up too, brought out the whole city?
Hold on, man, I had to pause that shit. What about that trap that I got? I put bowls in it. What about that car show I threw? Brought out the whole city. Man, y'all gotta fuck with the new album that's coming out, man, called Talking That Yank. Fuck you talking about it.
Launch my own clothing line. I got the album with it. Wrote it everything from my rap, bitch, I'm so authentic. Went to sleep with my chains on. It got tangled up. Baby woke me up like Sugar Man, you doing too much. Too much.
Hold on, man. What I just tell them folks, man, launch my old clothing line. I dropped the album with it. Quoted everything from my raps, bitch, I'm so authentic. Man, look, man, can't say I ain't leaving this shit I'm talking about, man. You feel me? It's a vibe with me, shorty. Let's bump, shorty. We outside.
Too much of this shit, I'm up. Too much of this shit, too much of this shit, I'm up. Too much money, too much counting penny cards. Fight like jet light, I can afford to give a hand some. Too much of this shit, too much of this shit, I'm up. Too much of this shit, too much of this shit, I'm up. Too much money, too much counting penny cards. Fight like jet light, I can afford to give a hand some. Too many switches, all of these guns, nice and nunchucks. Treat like it's Christmas, okay, I'm done, all out, I'll start done. Only one gun, but it's the one without the roof on it. All of my niggas, but it's the ones that step and shoot for me.
Hold on, man, you ain't just hear what I told them, man. All of these cars, but it's the one without the roof on it. All of my niggas, but it's the ones that step and shoot for me. What up, folks? I didn't say that. You know the vibes, man. We outside, man. It's up there, it's stuck there, man. We finna go bring y'all some of this Mopar content, man. It's a whole lot of gang shit going on today. You heard me. Ron Vert, man. It's your boy. They hung and they see me outside. That's the first time I actually got the drop out too with it running right. Stay tuned, man. We almost to my boy gang. Let's bump that shit, shorty.
Shit in here, I got to get it gone. Too much of that false flexing, boy, you gotta sit in on it. Too much internet, I really don't get in there. I'm putting it on my platform. I won't respond back. Too much back and forth flights, TSA on me. Rambling through a nigga luggage. How you get this money? BB's in my trunk, BB's on my wrist, I'm lit up. Sparkies on my rim, too much, look how that bitch sit up. All of my niggas, they all getting a girl. Pick one up here too. I know how you bitches is. You're too much. Nigga wanna run away. You didn't pull stars, ain't no coming back from that. You did too much. Too much of this shit, too much of this shit, I'm up. Too much of this shit, too much of this shit, I'm up. Too much money, too much clout and penny card. Strike life, jet life, I can afford to give a hand some. Too much of this shit, too much of this shit, I'm up. Too much of this shit, too much of this shit, I'm up. Too much money, too much clout and penny card. Strike life, jet life, I can afford to give a hand some. See, when I be in the club, I be standing on them people's shit. Doing all of that my parents told me not to do as a kid. But it comes to do it. That's why you.
Just pulled up at my boy Crusader. They got my boy right here with the Mopar, man. My boy, you already washed up. Oh, you got that drippy drip on too, Shreddy. Oh, you got that bulls on. I see you, Shreddy. Whole lot of vibe. What's up, baby? Got my boy Tony Tone out here on the channel, man. What's up, baby? How you feeling? Shit just brought the whip out, man. We need to get the wash. Look, y'all, stay tuned. Let me have about the drop. Let me call the car wash, man. Get it busting. I'm gonna introduce y'all to Tone to the channel. Y'all see the vibes, man, right here on my channel, gang. All right, so look, man, this is what it is. I'm finna bring your boy Tony Tone to the channel. Good dude, man. He got a lot of content, a lot of stuff going on. Y'all make sure y'all hit like and subscribe to his channel. Make sure y'all follow him. Make sure y'all tap into his Instagram as well. He on the Mopar scene, which I'll be on the Mopar scene sooner than later. You know what I'm saying? But right now, we just doing the old schools on my channel. You know what I'm saying? So I'm finna turn to the whip, man. I'm finna let him introduce himself and let him introduce what he bringing to the channel, man, which is the demon, which is the Hellcat, the SRT. So y'all check his whip out, man. He got the red and black SRT. He got them wheels on that gent. Y'all see the vibes, man. Y'all check him out, check him out. Tony Tone, man, come on in the video. Let them know who you be, man. What's going on with you, man? Introduce yourself to the channel, bro. Y'all gonna be seeing more, bro, too, man. So y'all get ready to see my boy. You see the Mopar, he holding it down, so he gonna be on the scene a little more.
What's good? It's your boy Big Tone. My channel is called Pistol and Pump. I'm a certified firearms instructor. I do give instructions on how to properly handle firearm, and I also give gun reviews. So again, that's Pistol and Pump. Give your boy a holler.
What's the Instagram?
Instagram.
Do you got it on your phone? It'd be better if I could show him too. Let me focus in on that, y'all, so y'all can go subscribe to my boy channel, man. Let's run him up to 1,000 subscribers, man. Let's get my boy monetized. Pistol and Pump. Hit like and subscribe to his channel, man. Let's get my boy monetized for all you gun lovers, man. And he be doing the workout stuff too.
Yes.
Don't forget that
I'm
now.
also a certified personal trainer. So you need to get in shape, give your boy a holler.
Definitely. What's up with the Instagram? Let's get on the Instagram, man. Y'all make sure y'all go follow my boy. He got the Mopar, he got the pistols, and he got the muscles. What you talking about?
Here's the Instagram.
Hold on, let me focus in on that, y'all. This is Instagram, man. Go ahead, follow him on Instagram for all of the latest content. Pistol and Pump. That's my boy Tony Tone, man. Let him know Sugar Man sent y'all over when y'all go, man. Follow my boy on there. Y'all see he got a little content on there already, man. Cool, we got that.
Yeah. 2 pages, actually.
Actually, you got 2 pages? Okay, let's see the other one. What's that one all about?
That one just a little bit of everything.
Okay, what's the other one? Okay, right here. Tony Force 23?
Yeah, that's everything. Cars, motorcycle, guns, workouts.
Okay, y'all go make sure y'all hit that page as well, man. Go follow my boy on IG. Turn it up. All right then. Let's jump into this video, y'all. Y'all make sure y'all hit like and subscribe to his channel. Make sure y'all follow him on IG so y'all can check all this content out. And like I said, when y'all do go over there, let them know, man, I own that gang and the 32 gang sent y'all, man. It's a vibe, shorty. Let's jump into this video, though, Tone, man. What we got going on the whip, man? What's going on?
All right, we got the 2021.
Oh, wait. First of all, I see you got the fam out here, man.
Oh, well, my wife don't want to get on camera.
Oh, she don't want to get on camera?
Daughter, she on camera.
What's going on, daughter?
Nothing much.
Introduce yourself.
My name's Eva. Should I say the socials?
For sure. Of course. Let them know whatever you got going on, whatever you advertising.
Instagram, influencer, got a couple 100K, I mean.
Okay, well, let's see the pages. First, you can introduce yourself first. I ain't rushing you, but definitely put it all on the platform, man, so them followers can tap into you. This is a good time to run it up, and that's what I do. I do a lot of networking other people, so you can,
Instagram.
And she lit on there, man. She lit on the IG. Hold on, let me focus in on that. PXRTT.
Yep.
Can you let them know what you be doing on your Instagram?
Nothing much. Whatever the trend is, post up with it.
Okay, cool.
That's it.
What other social media you lit on right now?
It's the same thing with the TikTok. That's it.
Hold on. TikTok,
Same thing as the Instagram.
EVA,
Yeah.
33.
Yep.
Okay, man, she lit on there. 379,000 followers. That's a lot of followers on what's that? TikTok?
Yeah.
Yeah, she need to give me some of her people.
Oh, me. She needs to give me some too. And that's cool because you know what? I'm just getting into TikTok. Everybody was telling me that I needed TikTok and I'm just getting in it. And I only uploaded 1 video because I don't know what I'm really doing. So maybe you can give me a shout out. Maybe you can give me some pointers on the TikTok stuff. Because everybody keep telling me I need to do TikTok because of all my videos and stuff and it be going viral. Because I'm viral on there already.
100%.
This young lady is the artsy lady. She did my letters on the tires.
Oh, you did all of that? That's what I'm saying, man. You got to let them know what you're doing, man.
That's how it works.
Okay. This your work right here?
Yep.
Rim's a little dirty, but you know.
Well, we got the watchman finna break it out, so we ain't worried about that. Okay, the Hellcat SRT. What's her name again?
Eva.
Eva. Okay, I didn't want to say the wrong name. I thought it was Eva from the page. So you got that. You done got that going on. So you TikTok, you got the Instagram, and you doing letters. What else you got popping off? Other than that, you just lit.
Yeah.
Don't turn the pops. We want to know what you got going on. Go and turn it up on the social media right now. You got a couple, 20-some thousand people watching.
Yeah.
So she lit, man. Y'all make sure y'all go follow her on Instagram and her TikTok, man. Turn it up, and me and her might do some collabs, especially with the TikTok stuff, because I'm definitely finna get some pointers from her on the TikTok, because I only got one video and I had it up for 2 months and I don't know what I'm doing. So it's hard to focus on. I got 6 platforms I'm uploading to every day. I got Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat. I haven't did the TikTok one yet.
You on Twitter too?
No, I ain't on Twitter. That's what I was saying, like Twitter and
Start using it too.
Twitter.
Yeah.
But they said TikTok is the most.
Yeah, TikTok is
She'll tell you.
TikTok is the easiest and the most popular. So you know what I'm saying. I'm gonna jump on that. But other than that, man, y'all make sure y'all follow her social. We're gonna take it back to my boy Tone, man. Tone, man, what we looking at? What's going on over here with this ride, man? Mopar gang, man. Tap in, man. Y'all know the vibes, man. My boy got the Mopar over here.
2021.
Okay.
Check it out.
I see the brakes on there. Them brakes big, or them was some special orders, or what?
I changed the factory brakes.
Uh-huh. What up, bro? We got my boy pulling up. Boots.
Those are ceramic, what you call them? Ceramic brakes?
Huh?
Ceramic brakes?
I don't know, bro.
That's what I put on there.
That's what them is, ceramic brakes?
Yeah, supposedly. They supposed to not collect as much dust, but that don't seem to be the case.
Okay. What them, 22s?
20s.
20s?
Yeah.
Okay, they're looking pretty big. My boy Jay just pulled up. What's up, Jay?
It's nice, man.
That's your boy, man. Sugar Man. Shout the channel out, gang. Let them know.
Trucking with boots.
Trucking with boots. Y'all already know my boy pulling up with them 60s, Jay. No roof, man. What you hiding from God today, bro? Man, y'all know the vibes, man. My boy pulling up in the vert, man. Shouts out to my boy. We're going to get back to him in a minute. My boy Tone over here. Tone, let us know what's going on, man, with the whip.
Check it out, dog.
Back to the back. So what's up? Did you buy like this with the red on it, or did you put this on here?
I ordered it with the stripes on it.
Okay.
I put that on.
This a Hellcat, right?
Yes, a Hellcat.
Okay, because I know it's Demon, Red Eye, Hellcat.
Hellcat.
Okay. So you put the red on yourself.
Yeah, I did that. I had this louver put on with the spike thing.
Okay. You had this put on in the back window. Now, what does this do? Keep shade in the window, or is just more of a racy look?
Yeah, just more of a racing look. You know how we do. We don't care what the purpose is, as long as it look good.
And the stripe came on it, though, right?
Yeah.
And you put this on the back. Can you still see out the window?
Yeah, you can see.
Okay.
Changed out the factory decals to match the paint job.
Oh, there was a black decal?
It was chrome.
Okay, so you just wanted the all red and black look. Oh, dope. So what about the wing? Did the wing come on it?
Yes, that came on there. That's factory. That's factory.
What about how many horses we pushing on this jam?
With the red key, 717. Without it, it's like 690.
Which key you got?
Oh, come on now.
I don't know nothing about Mopar, so when I ask you these questions, gang, I really don't know. I can't afford that type of stuff yet, man.
That costs more than this.
Yeah, but I've been building this for years, though. Going to the line at once is a whole difference. So I don't really know. But you said you got the red key, and that's how many horses?
717 with the red key.
Okay. And then you were saying what else without it or something?
Like 690 with the regular black key.
Okay.
Yeah.
But it's still a Hellcat, though, right?
Yeah, it's still a Hellcat.
Okay, it's just
Hellcat, even with, it don't matter which key it is.
Okay, dope. Definitely, man. Well, we finna check this gen out. What's up with this wide body kit? They came on there too?
Yeah, that's a wide body.
Okay.
Yeah, I bought it like that. This isn't put on there. This came from the dealership, from the factory like that.
Okay.
A little something back here.
Got them sounds in the back. With them some 10s?
Oh, these 12s.
Them 12s?
12s.
Oh, the box. It's the box.
This is what I do, y'all.
Okay, let's see what's going on back here.
A little something.
Oh, man. What's that right there?
That's a Taurus 44.
Okay. Got that big boy.
Yeah, that's a real hand cannon.
Lord have mercy. Well, y'all see what's going on, man. For all y'all gun lovers, definitely check him out. What else we got back here?
Right. Back there. Here.
Oh, one of my favorite.
AR-15 pistol.
Yes, sir.
That's brand new. I haven't even shot this one yet. So there'll be reviews coming soon on everything I have in the trunk here.
And y'all definitely, man, this is the first vlog, but it's not the last one, man. I'm definitely gonna get them on the channel with some of this gun footage and busting these guns, because I know I got a lot of gun lovers that follow me on the channel, man. And I be seeing y'all hit the comments. Y'all be talking about a lot. I don't really be addressing it until I get to this, until I bring somebody to the channel who's basically can rock with me and we can teach me a few things about it and teach y'all a couple things as well, you know?
And the line I changed out, custom.
Okay,
Put the cat on there.
You SRT'd out all the way around, shit. You got that custom lick. Gotta get some lights, Tone.
I do got lights.
You got some lights in here?
Red, the demon eyes and everything.
Oh, on the inside? Or it's back here, too?
No. The demon eyes, they change a whole bunch of different colors.
Okay.
But, I'm having some different, I tried to get them running today. I think the fuse is blown. But I do have that on here.
And you said, where do the lights come on at?
The headlights,
No, the light, the lights that you're telling me about.
they demon headlights.
The demon. Oh, they demon headlights in the front.
They turn red.
Oh, straight up?
Red, I can turn them any color I want, red, purple, yellow, whatever.
Okay.
But it's the demon headlights, though, to match the car, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
If the headlights are red, you can't really drive with them on. It's more like for parking and showing off, you know what I'm saying?
Right, definitely.
But I was trying to get it figured out before I came over here so I could show it off. But I think the damn fuse is blown. I've had problems with that shit ever since I had
We
it.
can definitely get some nighttime footage too, though, y'all.
Yeah.
What y'all think about that, man? Make this vlog 2 vlogs, man, or maybe even break it into 3. We get some nighttime footage too.
Got the undercarriage lights too.
Okay.
Yeah.
And some lights on that hit the ground.
Yeah.
Okay. You put them on, or they came like that?
Oh hell no! I paid somebody to do it.
Okay. Definitely.
Got one more thing for you, Suge. Check out.
Definitely. I'm excited about the guns, man. I can't wait for the gun vlog. It's coming soon, though.
Oh, you don't like what I got next? Check it out. Have built in the floor.
Oh, so you done got this built in.
Yeah.
That's dope. Got the red. You done went red and black crazy. I think that joker pulling in a lot. That's gonna be dope when I edit it. Pulling in, seeing that red and black sitting on the wall, y'all. What kind of speakers we running?
That's Scar.
Scar audio?
Yep.
Okay. Who you got doing audio and stuff like that?
You know what? This place up in Naperville called Sounds Plus.
Okay.
They did a good job with it. I mean, they hit pretty good. They ain't hitting like how your shit hitting, but man, it's nice.
Right.
All right, get rid of it.
Let's check this other piece out, you know?
Iconic shit right here.
Wait, he got it in the bag, shorty. Yeah. That's a machine, shorty. Ooh-wee. Let's zoom in on that joker right there. D-E. And I bet you that joker loud right there.
Oh, yeah.
Knock a door down.
Oh, yeah, man. Oh, yeah. That's serious right there. That's not a practical gun. That's more like the...
It's like the AR-15 in there.
That's more like a show-off piece. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
You know.
More like the AR-15?
Oh, no, you can use that now. You can definitely use that.
So what's your favorite one out of the bunch?
Out of these here?
Yeah.
The Desert Eagle.
The DE?
Yeah.
Now wait a minute, we just seen a DE
That's a
and
Desert
a Taurus.
Eagle. That's a Taurus 44.
Okay.
44 caliber. That's a monster too.
Right.
Yeah, these are both beasts.
I definitely gotta hear him go off because I never heard the DE go off.
Yeah, they loud, man.
Is it louder than the AR?
Yeah.
It's louder than the AR?
I think so.
Damn.
Yeah, it's really loud. It's 50 caliber. That's a big ass bullet, man.
We gotta check. I gotta check that out. I heard the AR and the AR.
She shoots too. I told her to shoot.
Are you shooting too?
Yeah.
You guys any of that on the TikTok?
Not on the TikTok.
Collab coming soon.
Collab coming soon. I'll put it up.
you gotta. These people on here doing the same thing that we doing, bro. So and then it's a lot of people that'll reach out too. So that's why it's good to collab and show them.
This white thing going.
And you got the, oh, these is the, oh, them the window strips in there. For the heating thing, right?
Right.
Oh, dope. Spikes come off? Or they just screw, or they just there? Okay.
I saw somebody with that idea last year. I think the guy had a Charger. He had something similar. I was like, oh man, I'm gonna take that.
Okay. Can you still see out the window, right?
Check it out. See that. You see?
You got the red in here too. Jay, where you going, my boy? Okay.
What is this, bro? I like it.
Oh, you can see out of the window perfect up in this gym. You got the red in the seats too. We doing some burnouts in this gym today. We finna see what these horses about, shorty. Got these seats. I ain't never set off in one of these, man. I'm so lit on the new cars, dog. I never set off in one of these. Got the red in here. You know, I never been in one of these, Tom.
What up,
I never been in one of these, bro.
Oh, well, you about to check it out today.
Yeah, I never been in one of these. Still smell new. Yeah, it's in the car, bro. All right. We bustin'. Litty lit, shorty. On me, got the flow in this joint. He done went custom on everything. He got the red and black bustin', shorty. Got the new smell. I'm gonna get me a Mopar when I get my money right.
The regular body looks nice, but when you pull up to this one, you're like, no.
You need me?
I'll be back. I'm gonna get some stuff.
I just about to get your car washed too. You look pretty good.
Now, what's these on the bumper, bro?
What up, sir?
What's these on the bumper?
What's up? This here?
The things at the bottom?
Oh, that's a lower lip splitter. It's just more for show, but in the real world, this is supposed to like prevent air from going over the hood or some shit. For
This thing,
performance.
these right here?
Yeah, this holds that up. These are the rods.
Okay.
So I had all that put on. These hood pins.
Oh, you had the hood pins put on? But it came with these though, didn't it?
No, this aftermarket.
Okay. It's for look, right? Or is it really hold the hood down? Because some of them come with it, right?
No, you gotta put them on there.
Okay. Oh, it's an option.
Hey, you know, if it is, I don't know about it.
Right. So I know CJ had one. I don't remember if he had it or not. I know he had them holes because I was asking him.
I think he had that put on there.
Okay. Because I remember he had it. Yeah, I remember he had it on there. Got my boy pulling out in the truck. We getting in Washington today. What, bro? All right, Terry Detailer, man, coming back to beam us up. Gonna get my boy Tony wheels clean too, right? I like that shot, y'all. Check that shot out. Jay, you gonna give us some spin outs too today? My boy right here finna get that drop clean, man. She look a mess. Wow. You wanna wash it right there? Should I let the top up? Yeah? It's right there. Right there. Yeah. You see it? You don't see it? You gotta push it down. Push it the other way. There you go. Got that wash finna get done while me and my boy Tone finna do some spin outs in this Hellcat thing, shorty. You know how to clip them, right?
That's how it was originally.
Okay. Oh, that's the original one? Y'all check out the before he got to putting his taste on it. You got any to build on the channel?
Nah.
Okay. Okay, cool. Cool. Got my boy Tone, got my boy Al over here, man. What's up, Al, man? Say what's up to my people. I'm gonna be trying to walk away from my people, man. Big shouts out to Al up here at Crusader Customs, man. Let them know all what you got for sale too, Al.
Where's your crew at, Al? Everybody on?
I fired him.
You fired CJ?
Yeah. I think he's coming back from Texas today.
Okay. Let everybody know what you got going on as far as what you got going on up here at the shop, what you selling.
We got a special on all the wheels. Actually, we just got some forged wheels in, some Asantes, some US Max 24s, 26s, 5x5, 5x120. We got some 32s. Good.
Okay, cool. We're gonna get into that in a minute. As soon as we're done with this video, we tap it back in with you, Al. Got my boy Tone, man. Now it's time for the action. Y'all know the vibes, man. Tony Tone and me. Sugar Man on that.
80 West on the Willie, on that YC450, 815 bike like Let's crank it up. Who fucking with me? Gang shit, no lame shit. Old school's candy paint drip. Supercharged when I lane. Don't act dumb, you know what's up with me. Who I be? Sugar Man on that. Where my digi scale at? Never mind that, it's a contract. Where them Zaza bills at? They like where you mail it at. I'm like where your runner at? Fort Dooley, hold 100. Like high, Marshall, fuck that. Don't so hey, blood clot what I just told you. Hello? Man, I just missed 2 sales in the booth. Oh, they don't like me, that brick fair, they don't mean no harm. Better yet, only VS1s in my daughter charm. Jula seen the racks and with the diamonds, she got messy. Can't sign for 6 figures, I got that in the shed. Niggas wanna snake me, bitches intend to use me. And with scissor hands, you better cut it, goofy. Cloud chasing ass niggas better dim that shit. Knowing you be on my dick.
It's a 360 video I'm gonna do on the car right before the spin out. Everything is kind of like, you know, more what you do to it, you know?
R.I.P. Debo, this my bite, now get him some. Drop the tickets for my niggas, told them get them some. The next time I see you, wanna see you sitting on some. Should've had my vest on the day them niggas hit me up. They let off 30, I'm 6'7", God got me up. Christmas Eve in the hospital, I'm like, what the fuck? Don't know if I'ma make it, I was 50 bands in that truck.
All right, check it out, gang. It's your boy Sugar Man on that. Y'all already know what time it is. We giving away the box Chevy Man for $25 a ticket. Good luck to those who enter the famous T-Rex. Y'all already know. Famous to the rah-rah talk, red light action, you heard me. You can enter this giveaway for $25 a ticket in any one of my bios on my Instagram, on my Facebook. And also, if you look at the flyer, you can take a picture of the barcode. Now, for everybody to enter, it's $25 a ticket. I will be giving it away live at my car show on August 28th at the Kankakee County Fairground at the Top 5 Car Show. That's right, man. Good luck to everybody who enter. And y'all already know, man. Whole lot of gang shit. Right, talk at the red light.
A lot of y'all been hitting me up, wanna know how I've been doing lately. I've been doing great, crab legs and steaks still on my plate. Don't need your love, it's all fake. That's why did I stay out your way? My scale's still 448. You can tell they wanna ride my way. Sand it down to the metal, primer color choco gray. Miss me with that basic shit. I told them spray outrageous paint. Tell me how I ain't the shit. Mono candy paint my whip. Dosey kicks and biker fist. Take a picture, freeze my trip. Niggas talk that gangsta shit. We gon' check it out. They heard it. I be checking out and stepping out with my weapon out. 28 rose gold blades, helicopter on them. Nigga disrespect the way gon' make me put that costume on. How you think my Chevy ass sag? I dropped the bag on it. Why you think my tires fully threaded and the tags on them? Why you think that mask on him? Why you think that Mac on him? Why he got that black on him? I wouldn't put it past, homie. I'm the one who asked for a lawyer. That's how I beat the case. You the type that asked for McDonald's on first 48. I ain't finna argue with no bitch. I got my own shit. I ain't fucking with no bitch unless she got her own shit. I don't wanna hear about your past, nigga. Show me something. Since we on the past, we for last. I just ran a minute. Already getting it for the low. How you want a better deal? I'm convinced you wanna meet my
right, y'all, listen up. Simple and short, man. We back on with my car show. August 28th, man. Top 5 car show. That's right. Every category we picking the top 5. There's a few I left off the flyer, but don't worry. I will be updating y'all soon with the new flyer. But for now,
do it for that U.S. currency, we in it currently. Do it for the ones that hate on you, can't stand to see you eat. Certified and got that stamp on you, and you a lamp on it. Click out and go put that shit on, I can't wait to shit on them. 28, 56, 112, 220, too many out there live like us. We don't talk like y'all, no, not at all. Leak the drip on the walk through, pick it up. Stick a chalk, you corner, pick you up. Mama hella bossy with it, come with us. Hella fun with us, and the gang I trust. YZ 450, Willie, pick it up. I'm getting nights on it, do it standing up. I fell one time, I had to bandage up. I told them don't cut it, keep it on the camera. Niggas gang now, niggas tough shots, we ain't got no names. Acting like they broke, D and tip them, let them keep the change. We don't run off on the plug, we who they won't get in touch with. We turn them down, they numbers nothing, boy, we can't be fucked with. That D-boy music. I walk away and spend 10K out my sleep. This ain't nothing new. My swag on D-boy from my head down on my feet. This what I do. I ain't got shit on but a cap and J's to match my teeth. What else on me? 2 cell phones with all my motherfucking jewelry. I'm on that mode. Fill up my tank and I'm gon' ride to early. 28, 56, 112, 224, 448, my lucky numbers, came up selling bowls. Have you ever vacuum sealed them bowls and sent them on their way? Cut them open when you got home and half of them was full of shake. Read up again, check them out like nigga, not again. Tryna mix it in and mix it in again until I win. You ain't never shipped it, how you ain't never rented, how you gambling with your last, feeling in your stomach, legs, and how you speed limit off the phone, I'm checking. I need that loan for 20K. How long it take? The SBA loan, yeah, that's on the way. Now let's get paid. I told my plug in Cali I'm on the way. Give me 2 days, I'm coming in hot trying to bust a plate. I need them flavors. I'm down some bands, I'm trying to get it. So come on with it. Any foul play, we gon' stand no business. Put one in your fitted. Bitch, I'm lit up, then a motherfucker. Turned in the lobby. Who I be? Sugar man on that. But ask about Bobby. The Cater niggas shot with me. Memphis Grizzlies rock with me. They know me down in Miami. That yacht life, them jet skis. Hustlers fuck with me. You wanna double up, get in touch with me. Bad bitch gon' suck on me, record it cause I'm sucker free. Never killed a man before. Swear to God I tried to. One nigga I was gon' close casket, but I couldn't find dude. 80 West on the Willie, on that YZ 450, 815 bike like Lee. Let's crank it up, who fucking with me? Gang shit, no lame shit. Old school's candy paint, supercharged when I lane switch. Don't act dumb, you know what's up with me. Sugar man on that, where my DG scale at? Never mind that, it's a contract, where them Zaza bills at? They like where you mail it at, I'm like where your runner at? Ford Dooley, hold 100, hike, Marshall, fuck that. I can feel it, I can feel it. That hate on heavy in the atmosphere, serious. They wanna hate now, I'm on 28s now. I hold my time down, come by a pie now. Nigga, hold on, I get my motherfucking roll on. Georgia blow on, re-up constantly at the store on. Frank Lucas, I'm a friend, I got that coat on. When they pulled him over, I got that same shit in my truck on. Drop the Addy, I bring that shit right to your doorstep. Living room, it's on the floor, think I got 4 left. That's a hoe, you don't let no hoe, you fuck that bitch. Plug on overload, gotta get it go, nigga, fuck a bitch.